All right, the SPL. Right here, we got the booth, we got the cars, we got the mic, everything to record that
Steve,
sound.
415s over here, or Advance 2 over here, please.
This guy has 415s in his truck.
On the rerun.
What kind of subs are those, sir?
And
DCs. Huh?
2K on the RPM.
We're checking, Jason. Danny's checking.
What class? No, 2,000 RPM.
Alright, what class am I in now?
Advance 2.
Alright.
Where's your amp set?
Let's see. Oh my.
That's alright. That's alright. I knew he was going to move me up. Shit, what were we just talking about that?
Yeah, you gotta do it right, I guess. So he's gonna check that amp load. And so what is this? So right, this part for? What are you doing?
The difference between what we do at Midwest SPL compared to all the other organizations is we actually measure true power. Not an amp that says it does 20,000 watts. We measure true
power.
Exact power.
Y'all hear that? So if you come this way and you telling me you got 40,000 watts, you bring it up in here, they're going to tell you what you really got.
You'll see what I'm talking about. This amp says it puts out 5,000.
Ooh, you see that?
We'll find out what it really does.
Amp says it puts out 5K. 5 stacks. We'll see about that. Oh my goodness, okay. I want to see that voltage meter.
So what I do is I take my measurements and then I'll actually measure the true output of the amplifier.
Okay.
So that way, if you're in a 1,000 watt class, we know you're under 1,000 watts.
Oh,
so
okay. Keeps everybody on the level.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the problem with a lot of other organizations is you'll have a 1,000 watt amp in a 1,000 watt class, but a guy's doing $7 grand out of it, you know, and it's just not fair.
So how are you going to be able to take when he starts playing the music? Then you'll look at the meter.
At the end of the run, he has to be in his allowed
range
power class. If he goes above it, then I disqualify.
Okay. So you knew they were going to hook you up, huh? So is it true? Everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's the way they're trying to do it now. They make sure you're in the right class. Well, good luck there, brother. What does it normally hit before you start?
52.
Okay. Huh?
My amps don't like being hot.
I feel you, and today's a hot day. It's already 93, almost 94 degrees. So we're gonna see. We're gonna
Start here. You got 60 seconds again.
They got all the technology over there, everything you need to be able to show how much wattage is actually going through the vehicle and make everything official. You know, that way there's nobody cheating, nobody's favoritism or anything. It's all done on the level, and that's what I like about this show right here.
So what's your calculation? What do you do? Divide them?
Times them together. AC voltage times AC current will give you your watts.
Right.
Your power output.
Yep.
So we'll take that. Times
21.6.
He's calculating it right there.
It's not that much power.
No.
Where did I end up at, Slick? All right. It was 1860 a week ago.
1860 is what they voted out at.
1871. I was close. All right, I'm in.
Oh yeah, that's right. So what did you hit? 150 what?
51 something.
Okay.
Jojo, we get over there.
All right. Okay, well, let me go over here and
Oh, it's an SUV. JoJo had to get on his step stool so he can climb in.
brother at.
Shit, he needs a beanstalk.
Head out there.
JoJo, we good?
Hey, bro. Woohoo!
Both scores stand. Digz Car Show advance 2.
What's up, bro? Okay, that's the McGuire. But right here we got the Slinker. Hey! Hey, I'm gonna get this car right here, man. That ass out the way. That's Slinker's S2000. I wonder if my cousin got his cars here. I wonder if this is Jake's. Wow, for sale. You want to take a picture? We got the that's the RS 4.0. Sizzle. All right, we're gonna cut this one short and go to the next segment because I have to take a couple pictures.